Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add photo effects to your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. And now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos that you would like to edit. And when you open one of them, then you can see on the bottom of the screen the effects option. Click on it, and now the last option is photo effects, and here you have a gallery. Here you can select whichever you would like. For example, I'm going to add this smiling effect, and let's see. Just wait a couple of seconds and you can see that now it's added to my photo. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.